What's going on, guys? Welcome along to today's video. I'm Matt over at DSR, and today I'm going to be taking you through how to unlock DYNAMIC Pro and Enduro Pro on your BMW R1250 GS or GS Adventure. My bike is a 2019. I've only had it a few weeks. I believe this works up to around 2021, but do check the owner's manual to see if this process is the same for you. I think for 22 and above there is a different way of unlocking the Enduro and DYNAMIC Pro settings. As you can see by looking at the screen now, I do only have the rider modes Rain, Road, Dynamic and Enduro. The process that I'm going to be showing you will unlock the DYNAMIC and Enduro Pro. What those extra settings mean is you can go into the bike settings and then you can adjust the parameters within inside DYNAMIC Pro and Enduro Pro. So we've confirmed by looking at our TFT that we don't have the Pros unlocked. What you're going to do, first of all, is you're going to release the seat, flip it over and then look underneath. And what you should see is a little kind of connector tab that is actually located underneath the seat. Unfortunately, if you don't have this, then someone has taken it out and you are going to have to purchase this. Speak to your BMW dealership or have a look online. You're probably going to find it cheaper online. Place the seat to one side, not going to need that for now. Take the dongle out of the waterproof pouch. The reason we've left the seat off is actually this dongle connects to the other end of the connector. When you're stood looking at the bike with the handlebars to the front, you can look at the right hand side. To the right hand side there is this connector here. That has got a block off plate. You're going to remove that. Like so. Put that little plate back into that sealy bag and then place that into the garage somewhere. Now you've got the male sector of this dongle, female sector on the bike. You're going to marry them up and then you're going to push it in. When you push it in, you should hear a firm click. And you can also feel it connecting in your hands. Once that's done, place it back into the little holder provided on the right hand side that you took out the female connector. Once this is done, we're going to start the bike up and have a look and see if our settings are there. Okay, cool. So now we can see it says Rain, Road, DYNAMIC Pro and Enduro Pro. So that means the little dongle has worked. Let's go into the menu, scroll along to the settings, vehicle settings, and there we go. We can see that Enduro Pro riding mode and DYNAMIC Pro riding mode are now illuminated, so we can actually go into them. And this is what I mean. So these are the extra parameters that we can now play around with. So this is the engine, so the throttle response. Go into that. Once inside that setting, you're going to use the jog dial on the left hand side and you can rotate through between Rain, Road and Dynamic. Go to the right, press OK. Come back. Scroll down to DTC, traction control and wheelie suppression. And within DTC, the three options are Rain, so it says optimized for max stability, wheelie is suppressed. Road, optimized for high stability, wheelie is suppressed. Dynamic, optimized for max performance, slight wheelie possible. We'll be the judge of that. So I'm going to leave mine in Dynamic. So within DYNAMIC Pro, those are the only two settings that you can adjust. If we come back and we go into Enduro Pro, the extra setting is going to be ABS. There's only going to be two settings within the ABS, so Enduro or Enduro Pro. On this bike I currently have a Bridgestone Battle Axe Adventure tyres, so more road orientated tyres. So I'm going to leave the Enduro Pro setting on Enduro. But when I do get some more off-road biased tyres, I will definitely change that over. And there we go, as simple as plugging in that little dongle. What I believe that little dongle does is it just finishes the circuit, enabling the computer inside the bike to register those extra settings. From here, it's a case of putting the seat back on, going out and enjoying the off-road and some wheelie capabilities. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Plenty more videos on this beautiful BMW R1250 GSA coming very soon. And until the next one, ride safe.